In this video, we are going to review the key steps in order to conduct an ergonomics analysis with Process Simulate empowered by Xsense motion body tracking. We are going to review three main chapters, which are how to set up the motion capture materials, how to do an accurate recording, and how to analyze the data using Process Simulate. Let's start with the setup. First, the analyst comes with a laptop and the Xsense suitcase. Let us have a quick look at the necessary material. There are different key items such as the radio and the sensors, also called inertial measuring units. Other elements available in the suitcase are used to attach the sensors to the body, or to take measurements and prepare the configuration. At this stage, the analyst starts the MVN software and helps the operator to put on the different sensors. Each measuring unit will be used to detect a specific body segment, from the arms to the trunk and the legs. It is important to respect the sensor placement in order to obtain precise body tracking data. Once all the sensors are positioned, the team set up the motion capture using the configuration panel. The main metric to enter is the full body height, taking the heels into account. Advanced users could also access deeper configuration settings. Next key step is to calibrate the system by following the dedicated process. The solution is guiding the operator through the sequence. The operator needs to first maintain the neutral pose, called the end pose, for 3 seconds, before to walk for 13 seconds. The system computes the data for a short period of time before to acknowledge a good calibration. If some sensor position should be adjusted, then the system invites us to restart the process and provide guidance on the way. We can now precisely follow the operator's body motion. The Xsense mannequin follows exactly the operator's movement in a very reactive manner. Do not hesitate to test couples postures on the way. We can now start the recording through MVN Analyze. It is necessary to mark an end pause during the recording, ideally at the beginning of the recording. This posture will be used to synchronize the motion from the Xsense to Process Simulate. The operator executes the different tasks that we would like to record and analyze. The idea is to capture the entire sequence and potentially to repeat it different times to get multiple recording of each key actions. The recording can be saved as a MVN file and replayed on demand whenever you like. The analyst could continue his job directly on the shop floor, closer to the operator, or comfortably installed at the office. At any moment, the analyst can stream the data from MVN to Process Simulate. The stream data are used to map the mannequin's posture from both environments. Thus, the Process Simulate mannequin mimics the posture recorded on the shop floor. At this stage, we can either capture static posture in the solution by creating different snapshots, or it is possible to use Posture Recorder and save the scenario inside Process Simulate. The analyst has access to multiple ergonomics analysis methods, from RULA to REBA, in order to analyze the posture. He can also complete the analysis by adding some information about the efforts. For example, the weight of the part that is manipulated by the operator. Efforts are taken into account in the analysis and would influence the score obtained for a specific operation and posture.